Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm here at Next Advance with the 24 Gold Plus model. Today I'm going to be looking at changing out a contact plate. So this model comes with both contact plates already installed, and depending on which tube type you're going to use, you need to make sure it matches your contact plate. If I need to use the Rhino tubes, I'm just going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and remove this gasket plate for the Rhino plate underneath. And as you can see, now we're ready to go with our Rhino tubes. Great, if you're starting with the Rhino plate and you want to use Gator tubes, you're going to go ahead and install that Gator contact plate. Before doing so, make sure that you've wiped down the surface and that both this contact plate for the Rhino tubes and the back of your Gator plate are clean. To install it, you're just going to line up the holes and their screws. And pop it right back in there. And I'm ready to go with my Gator tubes.